Hey guys, I'm going to explain why a CRM is really needed for a customer journey. So, when you get a lead, right here, when you get a lead first, you need to text them or call them within 60 seconds. You're going to say, well, I don't have the time for that. That's why you need a CRM. You can look this up at Harvard. They did analysis within 60 seconds. And by doing so, this person will become a customer by 391%, almost 400%. For every minute that passes that you do not call, it drops 100%. So it doesn't even matter about your reviews. So when you're concerned, I just started, I don't have any content, it doesn't even matter. It's how fast you can call them, which is speed to lead. And this is why that is the most important part of a CRM. All right. Here's another thing that happens with our CRM. When the lead comes, it's going to retarget them to your social media. So they're watching your social media more frequently. That is, they're knowing who you are a little better to do business with you. Again, we do that. This is a customer journey that I have done for my companies. Within 60 seconds, you need to call them, right? Do not use AI. You actually need a real person to call them. You're going to call them on day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If they don't answer by day 5, it's going to go to a different area, no answer. It's going to go to a different area, different funnel called no answer or a discovery call not completed. So it's not on here, but I'll explain it here. And that's going to text them every 30 days, right? And they're also going to see, again, your social media. What's going to happen in this 30 days? We're going to ask them, hey, what happened? Why haven't you booked your discovery call? Right? The wording just changes, but that's pretty much the concept. Why haven't you jumped on a call? What is the objection? You're hoping they get the objection. But the studies that we have done do not send a link, hey, book a call here. That does not work. What works is getting you engaged. If you get somebody engaged, texting back, and you're texting back and forth, you're going to like each other a little more. Can we agree to that? All right. Let's say they do complete the discovery call. What you need to do is you need to qualify if they're even a good fit for your system. So you need to conduct a sales script, ask questions, and this is called answer ask. We write this for you. Agree to the customer, answer their questions, and ask a question, right? Are they a good fit? Use the School of Commerce, and I've asked you guys these questions. How much do you make per month? Do you have a CRM? How do you generate leads? How do you close deals? On this part, I'm discovering if they're a good fit for my product. Can they afford the standard price, the premium price, or the VIP price? What do they need help with the most? So these are questions that I ask. It's not like it used to be, where if you have like a shirt company and you just don't want to do this, people don't know your brand. So when you're starting, this is the way you need to conduct it until they know your brand, right? And it's on autopilot. You're not there yet. You're just starting, right? If you're making $1 million to $3 million, you're more of a brand now. But even then, those companies are still doing sales calls. Why? Because the conversion rate is 391%. Why wouldn't you do a sales call? Let's say they do qualify, okay? They do qualify. You're going to send them, you're going to trigger something, and it's not on here, but you're going to trigger something that sends them a checkout page, and you're going to walk them through it. All right. Let's say they don't want to buy. They're giving me an objection. I have to do research. Right. That's the I got to do research on you. They don't trust you. Hey, I totally understand. To help you better, what type of research would you like to conduct? Because I can just give you that information right now. And then you get the real true objection. It's a smoke screen. So let's say they don't buy. This is don't. It's going to create another stage or funnel called no sale. And it's going to send them a text every 5 to 7 days, depending on your type of business. It's going to send them an email and a text on why they should be doing it, right? And it's going to do this for only 30 days because that's when they're hot, only 30 days. In those 30 days, let's say they don't buy, it moves it to a monthly email offers, SMS offers every month. And then the whole purpose is do another discovery call until they buy. Let's say they buy, depending on your product, you're going to ask now for referrals and you're going to ask for reviews. And maybe you can sell them another product here, but it's the same funnel over and over. And that's why you need a CRM. And this is already completely built. And it's, again, built with an AI. So do an AI SMS. And that's what it would do for you guys.